This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering essentials: amiibo or a spare camper, a clear outdoor photo spot, and the correct villager in your card pool. First, open your island gates or set your system to local play. This ensures visitors show up. Once done, visit the campsite repeatedly until your target appears, or use an amiibo to summon the villager directly. Make sure to clear furniture and characters from the photo area so you can frame a clean, character-focused shot. Next, focus on eliciting the photo request. You do this by increasing rapport. Give gifts, do favors, and engage in friendly dialogue until the villager initiates the photo interaction. Once you see the camera prompt, pause and adjust positioning so the villager stands centered with good lighting and a simple background. Make sure the villager's emotion is positive. They are more likely to pose. If they refuse, leave and re-enter their house or campsite to reset the prompt quickly. Finally, when the pose appears, use your Nook phone camera mode and frame for a clean, character-centered portrait. Move closer or back for the best crop, and select the snapshot promptly. After capturing, save and back up the image to micro SD or transfer via capture methods for higher fidelity. If things go wrong, no photo prompt or glitched pose, reset by exiting to title, reload, or resummon the villager with amiibo. That usually clears spawn or interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.